40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Wig cap, lashes, a booklet, recommend a friend, you can get $10 cash back. You can earn up to a $100 coupon code. You get very little shedding. You get 2 combs on the side, 2 combs where your leave out will be, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It doesn't have a smell. UNice hair upart wig, afro kinky curly, 150% density, 18 inches. The price is $115. Right now I'm preparing my hair for my leave out. Make sure you use enough so you can cover up the tracks. Create an anchor braid so when you put the wig on, it's extra secured where the combs are at. The rest of the hair, you can put it in a ponytail or braid or twist it. I'm adding bobby pins to the wig so the wig could be extra secure. blow drying his hair to calm down the volume some. So right now I'm about to blend my leave out, part the hair from the back, cover up the tracks, and then you want to part in your hair in the middle. Apply wax stick so the hair can blend better.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Grab a piece from the back and wrap it around the scrunchie or rubber band to make it run natural.
You see me a cleanest, clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching-ching, inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with me squeeze silicone and real blessed. Turn a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin'.
24K edge control.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, 'cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thighs.